Hi, I'm NASA astronaut Chris Cassidy on board the International Space Station. And last week, myself and Luca Parmitano did a spacewalk in which we had a problem with the inside of his suit. There was leaking cooling water somehow into his ventilation system, and that water got into his helmet. Don't know the exact specifics right now. The engineers and all the people in Houston are working on the problem and trying to figure it out, and we'll do some troubleshooting soon. But I wanted to show you where the water was coming from. So this is Luca's helmet, and the ventilation air comes into the helmet through this port right here, and then goes behind the crew member's head, and then blows the air across the front of your face. Well, with water, a mixture of water and air getting into this vent port, the water bubbles started to build up behind this white plastic piece. Once the water got big enough that it went all the way around and started coming outside the edge of the white plastic, then it saturated his communication cap, and sort of capillary flow just brought the water all around his head, and he had water on and it filled up in his ear cups, and it started to creep into his eyes and covered his nose. Scary situation. The ground teams worked really well to give us some direction, and as a team we got everybody back and everything was fine. But the water would continue, if it had continued to leak much more, it would have been really serious. So that was our problem. That was our spacewalk. It planned for 6.5 hours, and it was about an hour and 45 minutes or so. So don't know if we'll get it rescheduled, but we'll see. And the most important thing is that the suits are determined to be safe, so that whenever the next folks get outside, that everything works well for them.